Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm Clock icon at the top left corner. Now select this plus at the bottom and customize your alarm however you want to. At the top you can set up an hour and then click on ringtone. Now to pick a song from your device, click on choose local ringtone over here. Select one of the available sources. Hit allow in all pop-ups and then tap on the song. Lastly, to apply it, select OK at the top right corner. You can also tap on pre-installed ringtones and click on Apply next to one of the available ones. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back. Now you can click on Repeat and decide if you wish your alarm to repeat once daily from Monday to Friday, or you can always click on Custom at the bottom and just select days of the week manually. To save them, hit OK. Now tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm and click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on OK. Lastly, to save your alarm, choose this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, tap on it, click on Additional Settings and change wherever you want to. Then click on the check mark again. If you wish to switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and click on one of the available options. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. Lastly, if you want to get rid of your alarm, hold it, tap on Delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!